here with another layout. I'm going to try to talk a little quiet because Matei spent the weekend with his mom. He's with his mom. He doesn't sleep, so I made him go lay down. So he got up after 5 minutes. It was like, I can't sleep. I'm like, oh no, 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 no. Get your butt in there and lay down. Hour at the most. Or hour at the least, I said. White cardstock, Basil cardstock. And I am going to use my ink pads directly onto the page. I was cleaning, I was vacuuming my aquarium, and he likes to help do that, so that was a bad thing to do. Well, he's trying to take a nap because he feels like he's missing out. So this is where I end up just using, because you can see where I pushed the ink pad onto the paper. And so the squirrels are getting, oh my gosh, you can clearly see I have corn for you on the cob. Is that too much work for him? So he sees it. Little brat. I have to put the seeds over by the corn and take the bird feeder inside. Actually, I might move that bird feeder up by the house, and I bet it won't, because I hung it right under my porch, and they climbed the stick. Oh my gosh, they're lazy. Back to my layout. I'm continuing on the background. And this picture is, we went to eat in the village square, and near where we like to eat, there's a high, and then we usually after we eat, we're like, oh my gosh. So we like to go for little walks, and the square is a really nice place. It has little ponds with ducks and larger ponds with other turtles, and we like to go in there and see what turtles we can find in there. So it's fun because you can go over the bridge and near the water, and it's fun. So we just go on little nature walks after we eat. So now I'm going to take this bubble packaging, and I'm going to press that into the ink and add that, and it just gives it some more texture to the background than what's already there. Oh, sorry, I thought this was the one with me at the duck pond. My apologies. This is, I was out on errands, or maybe on my way home from work, I'm not sure, and I snapped a picture, and I liked the picture, so I decided I'm going to scrap it. Okay, so now for the layers. Oh, shoot. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to do that pink striped layer is Making Home Sunny Days. Most other paper layers that you see are all scraps, which you have seen me do from previous layouts. And then I am going to use a pattern paper which has buildings and flowers, and it's Chamel's Sparkle City, called Spring in the City. So I get Patton's medicine on Monday. My vet gave me some, but it didn't last. It lasted 2 weeks, and I ran short because they have to extract it, make it flavorful, because he spits and foams the mouth. He does not like the medicine. So they have to have it extracted, and it'll be here Monday. They have to ship it to me, so it bites. But it's 5 months worth, so it ends up being cheaper than if I buy it from my vet directly. And it's really bitter because I was like, oh, how bad does it taste? And I tasted it, and I was like, oh, wow, it's nasty. He's on kitty Prozac. Who knew they made Prozac for cats? But they do. Yeah. Sounds silly, but it's so true. But he got, when he was younger, he got crystals in his urethra and he got clogged. And so trying to use the litter box, it was, I don't know if it was painful, but he strained to try to get it out because he was clogged. So he couldn't, and it happens in young male cats under 2 years. So, and that happened to him twice. So he has what we call PTSD when using the litter box. And so I had problems with him going outside the litter box. And I finally said, I've tried everything that under the sun. I Googled different methods and I tried them and nope, none of them work. So I finally contacted my vet and said, hey, we got to do something. So puppy training pads saved my life because that's what I put out and that's what he used. So it was just pick them up, throw them away. So hopefully this helps. We are off and on again using the litter box. So we're getting better, right, Patton? Yeah. Say we didn't use use a litter box for 2 days, didn't one night, and then used it. That's good. Hey, what are you doing? Stop licking your paws, Coco. So that's good. But antidepressant, so it'll make him a happy kitty, and he'll use the litter box regularly again, hopefully. So, and I don't blame him because I'm sure that had to be a scary ordeal for him to have to pee and not be able to pee. So, and the only way I knew was his personality changed. He became withdrawn. So I knew that when he was hiding away in my scrapbook room closet, because he always lays in my scrapbook room, that's nothing different. But when he stayed hidden away, didn't want to play, didn't want to come cuddle with me, I knew something was wrong. So we took him in and, yep. So he was good for a year, then he clogged again, and good for another year. So I put him on IAMS, urinary tract health, and that seems to be hard food, but he gets his moist food every morning and night too. And then any munchies he has, he does the hard food right back. Yeah, so hopefully he stays on track. But anyway, back to my layout. So I'm going to use some stickers as well as phrase stickers, and those are from Dear Lizzie. I'm going to use some chipboard stickers, and those are American Crafts Pick Me Up stickers. Oh, wait a minute, I thought I already did the audio to this one. Huh. Okay. And my die cuts that I'm using are Pink Paisley's Horizon. So the die cuts for Pink Paisley came with a whole bunch of florals, which I have a hard time using florals, but I figured this was my opportunity to go ahead and load up on them. And use as many as I can on this layout. Little stinker. Shh, go, quiet. Shh. Go, hush. What do you need? Girl. Anyway, everything down, figure out where I need it, and then the thing is, and then I gotta try to glue all these down. But whenever I try gluing them down, then I have to pick them all back up. So. Alright. Crazy cute. You want my lap pattern? Alright, and then now I have everything down, and now it's a matter of getting it all glued. And then I'm, oh, go. And then I'm going to use some bows, which are Amy Tangerine from a past kit. And then that is all I pretty much do to this layout, besides adding some phrase stickers to just kind of help finish it off. And then Excel and Dream, those are these American Crafts Goldenrod thickers that came in a past kit. And then the word and is American Crafts Charm thickers. Go! What? Why are you whining? Alright, so then I'm almost done. And then these are the bows that I use. Well, put it behind there, you goofball. I'm sorry, I think I just hit my mic on pen. Want to play with the ball? Okay, I'm coming. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this. I got to go let the dog out, apparently. She needs to go out. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.